welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about how to download metadata of more than 100 URLs or 300 200 or 300 URLs. There is like a simple way to, I'll explain that. First of all, we need to take one sitemap. See, this is the sitemap. From the sitemap I'm taking all the URLs. Okay, this is the sitemap. From there I have extracted all the data. Okay, let me copy these all URLs and paste it into, there is a tool called bus stream metadata extractor. Please copy paste here and press this go button. Wait for some time. You can see all the URLs, it will be extracting. Once it is done, no, you can see the download CSV option also. Still it is running. Once it is done, you can download the entire CSV file here. That's it. See, look at this file. You can see all the URLs, all the metadata here. This is in different format. Why? Because I am opening in the notepad. Because of that reason you can see this. If you open into spreadsheet, no, you can see the proper structure. Yeah, thank you.